Brandy for Thunderhorse Descendant. Today we got a little something new. I made a purchase from an eBay store and I purchased, I think it was a dozen. Pendants, stone set pendants, and they were going to come over from India. So I did this a couple of months ago and they finally got here. So I was like, oh, I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. So we're going to do a quick unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell so you know when we're putting up new videos, and let's get down to the mat and check out the pendants.
Here we are down on the mat, and I'm going to cut into this package. I'm so excited. I've been waiting and waiting for it to come. So we will see what we got. Oh, it even has my name on it. So this is supposed to be a grab bag of pendants. I've ordered it and it came from India. I have been waiting for quite a while for it to come. So let's just see how we can get in here. I think it's supposed to be 15 pendants, if I remember correctly. It did take about 3 months to 2 months probably for it to get here, through customs and all of that. And on the packaging, I seen all of the custom stuff. So it did ship right away, but oh. Alright, let's get in there. Oh, that's a smiley face on the other side. Woo! So let's see what we got. Now, I never have ordered these before, so we'll see. Ooh. It's looking pretty good from the outside. Hope you guys can see that. I'm telling you, they were really serious about these not getting broken, which is good. Alright, here we go. Alright. Well, they're looking pretty spectacular from here. Let's zoom in a little bit. And let's just look at one at a time here. So they look to have a soldered bail. This one is a rose quartz. I am pretty happy with it. You see the side view there? Yeah, that one's pretty snazzy. I'm gonna put this off to the side over here. See what else we got. Now, I wonder what kind of stone that is. At first, through the packaging, I thought it was going to be a labradorite. But it's not. I don't know what kind of stone that is. It looks cool. Looks really cool. I don't know what kind of stone it is, but it's cool looking. To look into that, do a little research. This one looks to be a jasper. That's pretty cool. So I have to say, thus far, I'm pretty, oh, that one's a pyrite. I'm pretty happy with these. They're not too heavy, or, you know, but they're heavy enough. I like that they have a soldered bail. I like that a lot. So I would, at this point, say that it was a good purchase. I did have to wait, but you know, sometimes that's what you gotta do. Oh, here's what looks to be a tiger's eye. Oh yeah, look at that one. See the flash on that one? Nice. This one might be a carnelian. Looks like a carnelian. And so this is just a grab bag. They don't show you the shapes or anything. So I do like all of the shapes that they have included. Snowflake, looks to be snowflake obsidian. Cute. And then this is the last one. Have to do a little research on that one. I'm not sure. Not sure what that stone is either. So let me just line them up here and show you what I got. So there we go. Going down just a smidge. Yeah, so I would say that this was a good purchase. I really enjoy all of the stones that I got. My favorite one is probably this pyrite one. I also like this rose quartz a lot. The tiger's eye is very nice. I have to look into a couple of these other stones. Okay, party people, so I thought, you know, it would be fun. I have here a piece of Chinese silk. And I just thought, you know, it would be fun. Let's just make a little project. So these I have are fold over little crimp connectors, and I'm going to double my Chinese silk ribbon, and I'm going to put a pendant on. So what I'm going to need for this is my chain nose plier and my flat nose plier. I am going to use a little dab of the Loctite super glue, and all we do is fold the ribbon in half. I'm going to put a little dab of the glue on the end here. And we're just going to put the connector in there. I'm going to kind of roll it. We have about 90 seconds here with this glue. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my flat plier and I'm going to get a hold of this connector, and I'm just going to squeeze. And as I squeeze, you're going to see one end is going to want to fold in over the top of itself, and that's what we want. So just going to keep going here. And then I'm kind of doing a rolling motion. And then once I got it over the top of each other, I'm just going to flatten it. So I got these little connectors on BB Craft, and I will link my affiliate link for BB Craft in the description of this video if you guys want to head over there and check it out. So now I have this portion on, so before I put my other side on, I am going to pick my pendant. The choices are all good. I really like all of them. But I think since I got the pink, I'll go with the rose quartz. Any would really work, but so then just going to put this on there. And then we're going to go to the end here. So I just want to make sure that I don't have any significant fraying on the end, which I don't really. And just do the same thing on this side. Hit this with just a little smidge of glue. And then slide that in there. Give it a little minute to dry up a little bit. Just get a little tacky. Then I'm going to come in here with my flat plier and just do the same situation we did last time till it folds over on itself. And then I'm going to flatten it down. And if it gets in a shape that you don't really like, you can always just squeeze it some more. And there we go. So now it is all done. And these little connectors already come with the extender and the lobster claw on. And now you have yourself a cute little pendant necklace. Is that not the cutest? There you go. I hope you guys enjoy this project. It's super simple and cute. I really enjoyed having all of the opening and having all of the pendants. I really enjoyed them a lot. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and leave a like and a comment. And I'll see you guys again next time. Thanks.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the pendants. I thought that it was a great deal. I would order again from them. I will link in the description box below where I found them. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.